Welcome to Digital Future AI. Glowing Star, your ultimate destination for exploring the future of artificial intelligence and groundbreaking technologies. The UK tech industry is evolving like never before. AI-powered tools are leading this transformation, revolutionizing the way businesses operate, analyze data, and make decisions. In this video, we'll dive deep into how AI tools are reshaping business intelligence. From saving time to driving innovation, these tools are essential for companies aiming to stay ahead in 2024. Here's what you'll discover. 1. Tableau. Simplify data analysis with real-time insights and natural language queries. 2. IBM Watson Analytics. Leverage predictive analytics to uncover hidden patterns and trends. 3. Microsoft Power BI. Automate reporting and streamline decision-making with AI-driven insights. Why does this matter to you? These AI tools help businesses make smarter decisions, cut costs, and focus on what truly matters: growth and innovation. Whether you're running a startup or leading a corporation, AI can transform your operations. Imagine a future where 1. Your reports are generated automatically. 2. Data analysis happens in real time. 3. You can predict trends before they even happen. This is the power of AI, and it's here today. Rocket companies across the UK are already benefiting from these tools. Don't get left behind. What's in it for you? By adopting AI-powered business intelligence tools, you can 1. Enhance decision-making. 2. Optimize resource allocation. 3. Stay ahead in a competitive market. Make AI your secret weapon for success. These tools are no longer just for tech giants. They're accessible to businesses of all sizes. Subscribe to Digital Future AI to stay ahead of the curve. We bring you the latest insights into AI, technology trends, and tools that are shaping the future.